Lace fronts, hair weaves, if you wanna get your hair lace, if you wanna come see me. Silk press, rock the pliers, dreads, I can guarantee that you wanna come see me.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment down below, and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload a video. Today I'm going to be coloring a unit that I previously made a few months ago, and I'm going to be coloring it with the Adore number 48, which is honey brown, to get it from this to this. Now that doesn't look like honey brown to me, and I was like, I'm going to recolor it, but a client was here getting her hair done. She was getting another weave applied, and she said, I want that. I want to buy that. So I sold it. I really didn't like the color, but she did. So guess what? It is what it is. I don't know. That's like, I don't even know what color. Y'all tell me what it is. Okay, you guys. At this point, I'm thinking I need to add a little bit more color in there. And that's exactly what I did. You see me using the whisk to whisk the water around. And sorry for the angle of the camera. It wasn't my camera, it's my cell phone, it's my iPhone, because my Canon was upstairs. I was holding the phone with one hand, color in the other hand, and then whisking, and then dunking the hair with the other hand. And as dark as the color looks, you would, I don't know, maybe, I didn't pick up the wrong color because I thought it was going to be the color that it said it was. But I didn't take into consideration the color of the hair. So now, because it wasn't 613. Guys, I'm sorry about the angle of my camera. I had my Canon camera upstairs. With that being said, you guys saw what the color came out like. It wasn't the color that I wanted. With my phone, so I was holding the phone with one hand. I was doing my client's hair, and she was getting another weave that she had purchased, installed, and she saw that one after I finished styling it and everything, and she was like, oh, I didn't see this before. I like this. And guess what? She bought it. I was going to recolor it, or I was just going to add some highlights to it. But then she liked it like it was, and I couldn't even tell you what color that is. It's not a copper. It's not auburn. It's, I don't know. I don't know what it is, but the color wasn't bad. I just wanted to go in and add some extra touches to it. But after I finish dunking it and all that stuff, I'm going to shampoo it and condition it and then style it. I was just going to let it dry overnight, but I said, nah, I'll just go in and blow dry it and get it done with, because I wanted this wig done with, because it had been sitting on my shelf for a long time, for about like, man, a long time, a very long time. It's been over 6 months for sure. Because I bought the hair from his and her hair company, and it was on sale, and that's their French refined hair. And I got the closure from somewhere else. And that's the color I use, Adore number 48 honey brown. And as you guys can see, when it was finished being colored, it was not honey brown. Y'all tell me if it looked like a honey brown to you, because it does not look like a honey brown to me. It looks like a mustard color. And I thought it was my lighting with my camera, but nope, it was not the lighting, you guys. Y'all let me know. Okay guys, I've shampooed and conditioned her, and look at how pretty that wave pattern is. Look at how pretty that is. But I wanted to flat iron her and give her a barely bump, and that's what I'm doing. Right now, you guys see I got my granddaughter. She was like, what's that? What you doing? What's that? As I was blow drying, I didn't realize how many tracks was in there and how thick it was. Man, if I tell you. And the tracks were doubled, so it took me a little bit longer to blow dry than I thought. But even while I was blow drying, the hair was so soft, so soft. And the shampoo and conditioner that I used on her hair was the sorry again, you guys, that's my asthma. Was the Hair Honey products, their moisturizing shampoo and their conditioner and their growth oil. I know the wig ain't gonna grow, but guess what? It makes the hair super soft. You guys, this part was done with my camera, with my Canon camera, and the lighting was, I don't know if it was the lighting on the camera or the light that I had in my shit. What is that damn thing called? Why can't I think of it now? or the ring light. I don't know, you guys, because it's pretty much right now giving me orange or whatever. But whatever the case is, yeah, it was something going on. I'll figure it out for the next video. Did I cut this hair or did I cut this hair? Oh my goodness. Look at it, you guys. If you guys could just feel it too. Look at my granddaughter over there just touching everything. I redid my sewing table and she sees the bling on it and she keeps touching and keeps touching. She's so bored. Look at her back there, you guys. Shoot, I'm glad I ain't got no bad grandkids, child. Ooh, I couldn't take it. But in any case, I'm almost done blow drying. I'm gonna start flat ironing her. Okay, right here I'm just sectioning her so that I can flat iron her. This was really a lot of hair in this wig. But then when it's flat iron, it doesn't even look like a lot of hair. And the only reason I didn't leave it wavy like that is because the closure was not bought by the same company. And it wasn't as, the curl pattern wasn't as nice as this French refined hair. So yeah, in the future I'm just gonna buy the closure and everything that comes with it. And even sometimes when you do buy the closure that come with it, with the hair, it still doesn't even match like that. See, I'm giving that barely bump, bump. You got some sound effects, y'all. Bump. Bump. Let me stop. Enough of that, huh? But anyway, you guys, all I'm doing is flat ironing the hair. That's it, nothing special. And look, and then because the hair was so thick, I took big spaces in between. Big spaces in between. And I didn't even make this for anybody particular's head. So it seemed, to me, it seems like it's kind of big. So before my customer even spends her money on it, well, she bought it, but I'll refund her if it's not the right size for her head. But I could always go in there and cut some of that off, and then so I could what they call it, I could inward rig. I could inward rig it and make it still look nice, because she really wants this. I'm like, okay, cool, because I was like, I don't know about this color. I'm gonna put some highlights in it, and I think highlights would make it look way better, but she wants it the way she wants it. The hair is lovely though. And I caught this hair on a good sale. It was, they said it was 10-inch hair, but when I measured it, it was measuring 14. And I was like, this is not 10-inch hair. So I measured, it was 14-inch hair. And guess what, you guys? I got each bundle for $9. And this was like a long time ago. His and Her Hair Company was having a sale. Excuse me, I went back online to get more, and guess what? It ain't that price no more. So every time they send me an email saying they're having a sale, I'm gonna make sure I look at it, because their bundles are expensive. They didn't used to be that expensive, but most of my clients that buy their own hair, I prefer for them to get their hair from there, because the hair is always good quality, no shedding, and it lasts a very long time. Look, I'm giving a plug to His and Her Hair Company because I like their hair, but I ain't getting paid for that. This is not a sponsored video. Okay, you guys, I'm done with that side. Now I'm gonna finish this side over here. And you guys, this hair, I cannot set it up. This hair feels amazing. And although the closure, I did not buy the closure with the hair. That's why I didn't keep it wavy, because the wave pattern was different. But the closure is actually a really good closure too, you guys. It feels bomb too, and I'm glad I made the decision to flat iron it. I'm excited. Now I want to color some more hair. But the other hair, when I color the next bundle of hair, it's going to be, I'm going to do the water method with that, and the bleach water method. And my next wig is going to be where it's ombre and it's blonde at the ends. You know, people want different colors, so I'm got to give the people what they want. Okay, anyway, you guys, I am done with this video, and this is how it turned out. It went from that to this, and this is what I used. Thanks for watching. Again, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment down below, and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload a video. And comment, you guys. Make sure you comment. And stay blessed.